Imagine a living room where vintage elegance meets rustic charm, creating a space that feels both timeless and cozy. Welcome to the art of blending shabby chic and rustic styles, where every detail invites you to relax in a beautifully curated space. Hello and welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we're diving into the world of living rooms that masterfully combine shabby chic and rustic design elements. Join us as we explore how these two styles can come together to create a living room that's both elegant and down to earth. Let's discover how vintage sophistication and natural charm can coexist harmoniously. Let's start with the color palette, the foundation of your shabby chic rustic living room. Shabby chic often features soft pastel hues like blush pink and mint green, while rustic design brings in earthy tones such as deep browns and grays. For a seamless blend, start with a soft pastel base on your walls or large pieces of furniture. Add depth with rustic accents. Think wooden beams or a reclaimed wood coffee table. This combination creates a soothing backdrop with rich, natural undertones. Next, let's talk furniture. Shabby chic furniture is known for its vintage, distressed look with ornate details. Pair these with rustic pieces that emphasize natural wood textures and simplicity. Imagine a beautifully distressed armchair adorned with floral cushions sitting next to a robust, handcrafted wooden coffee table. Mixing these styles not only adds character, but also balances the softness of shabby chic with the sturdiness of rustic design. Texture plays a crucial role in achieving a cohesive look. Shabby chic textures include soft linens, lace, and floral prints, while rustic design celebrates natural materials like burlap, leather, and reclaimed wood. Combine these by layering a shabby chic floral throw over a rustic leather sofa. Place a soft, vintage-style rug on a rugged wooden floor. This layering of textures adds both visual interest and tactile comfort to your living room. Decor is where the magic happens. Shabby chic decor often includes vintage elements like old picture frames, floral arrangements, and elegant chandeliers. Rustic decor features practical items like metal lanterns, wooden signs, and mason jars. Blend these by showcasing a shabby chic mirror with a rustic wooden frame above a mantel, or using mason jars as vases for fresh flowers on a vintage side table. These decor elements will create a space that feels both charming and lived in. Onto the walls. Shabby chic living rooms often feature soft pastel paint or delicate wallpaper patterns. Rustic living rooms might highlight exposed brick, weathered wood, or stone. Combine these by painting your walls in a pastel hue and adding a feature wall of reclaimed wood or brick. This mix not only enhances the room's visual appeal, but also adds depth and character. Lighting sets the mood and completes the look. Shabby chic lighting often includes elegant fixtures with crystal or ornate details, while rustic lighting tends to be more straightforward and made from natural materials. Use a shabby chic chandelier as the centerpiece of your living room and complement it with rustic pendant lights or sconces. This layering of lighting styles will create a warm, inviting ambiance. Finally, let's accessorize. Shabby chic accessories might include vintage china, lace doilies, and old-fashioned clocks, while rustic accessories emphasize natural beauty with handmade pottery, wrought iron, and wooden crates. Combine these by displaying shabby chic china on rustic wooden shelves or using vintage glass jars to hold rustic dried flowers. These accessories will add personal touches and enhance the cozy, eclectic vibe of your living room. As we wrap up our tour of shabby chic and rustic living rooms, we hope you're inspired to blend these styles in your own home. Combining the elegance of shabby chic with the warmth of rustic design can create a living room that's both sophisticated and welcoming. If you enjoyed this blend of vintage charm and natural beauty, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more design inspiration. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you blend different styles in your own space? Until next time, may your living room be a perfect harmony of comfort and charm.